Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Messenger app not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here scroll down and search Messenger app. You will see Messenger apps. So you will see Messenger app is here. So click on Messenger app. Scroll down and click on storage. So click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Messenger app not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.